the minute where I'm unboxing products from United Health. And just for the record, this will be my last unboxing from United Health. The insurance man that came out and talked me into this plan said that there would be no changes to my insurance. The only difference would be that I would get this extra benefit. But he forgot to mention the extra benefits that he didn't mention, meaning that I would start getting bills from my doctors for parts that they didn't cover. In other words, I only covered half of my bills. So this will be the last unboxing from this insurance company on products that I will be getting from them. And I'm going to go ahead and dig on in. Now, I have been waiting for this box to come in for the last couple of days now because it's got something in there that I've been needing. Here's your inventory sheet. And if you have cats, this would be perfect for them because it comes with lots of paper. Lots and lots of paper. Why? Couldn't they have just used a smaller box? Okay, the first thing that we have in here, and I'm going to go ahead and do this in a certain order. This is 4 bottles of omega-3 fish oil. That's right. Adam and I are trying to get healthy and make our brains healthier so we can think better. So omega-3 fish oil. We got 4 of these, so that'll last us a while. 90 pills a bottle. We have I thought I had ordered 4, but I guess not. 3 bottles of vitamin D3 because we are such computer nerds that we stay inside all the time and we hardly drink any milk that our vitamin D level is like really low. The last time I went to my doctor's, it was well below normal. So I'm on 4,000 units of vitamin D a day to bring up my vitamin D level. Then we have a whole box just for Adam. 6 tubes of denture adhesive. This box opened. Six tubes of these. Now he'll be able to eat his popcorn tonight without complaining.
I don't complain.
Then, most of everyone that knows anything about me knows that I have a really sensitive stomach. And I have to take medicine for my stomach at nighttime or else I don't get no sleep. Because the acid reflux just kicks in and it's like... So, since I had all this benefits coming to me, I decided, okay, get the #1 product that will help you regardless if it's morning, evening, night, heartburns. 1, 2, 3, for 5 bottles of Mom milk of magnesia.
Just hopefully not milk from Mom.
Now, the purpose that I got the milk of magnesia is that when I was in the hospital with my appendix and I had a heartburn attack, this is what they gave me, and it stopped the heartburn instantly. So I've always trusted Mom milk of magnesia to get rid of any heartburns. Times and stuff like that does not work as good as this does for me. So this is my #1 product. And I highly recommend this for anyone that has a heartburn. Which I'll probably do individual YouTube videos just on these products and give them a review.
The coffee's not included, but
Excuse me. Now, I said I was going to bring this out in certain orders, and that's what I'm doing. So let me go ahead and get the big item out. Now, this is the 3rd scale that I have ordered from them. One of them was for me, and we ordered one for Adam's brother and his wife. And we also ordered one for Adam's mother and father. And we're just going to give it to them for a Christmas gift. And we'll just add something to it or something like that to make it more appealing than just get in shape. So I'm going to set this down over here. And the last product was, now I had about $5 left. Or actually I had $3 left, and I had to figure out a way to go ahead and spend everything all at once. That way all my benefits was used up. So I recalculated everything over here, reshuffled it so that I would have $5 remaining. And I'm sorry, but a homosexual just can't run out of enough Vaseline. There's never too much Vaseline in the house. So I've got, this is like, what, the 6th one that I've got from them.
You're a homo?
I go through this like crazy.
All this time, 10 months or 8 months, I never knew he was a homo.
And I never noticed it until just now, but, oh, here's my dildo. And if you'll look, that's everything in the box. So as far as the shipping and all that, they could have used a smaller box, less paper, and saved a lot of space. But United Health, not going to cut it with the shipping as far as that goes. And as far as covering my stuff, not going to cut it. Bye-bye.